Presenting Petron Bass Buds True Wireless Earbuds that is sleek, lightweight and ultra portable. This true wireless earbuds features a built-in HD mic for hands-free calling. It even supports dual stereo calling for better audio clarity. Activate voice assistant on your phone using MFB button on headphone. It delivers up to 6 hours of continuous playback on a single charge and a standby time of 100 hours. With the portable 400 mAh charging cum storage case, you can charge the earphones on the go at least 2 to 3 times a day. Petron Bass Buds True Wireless Earbuds is lightweight and is designed to ensure perfect canal fit. It gives a snug and secure in-ear fit that reduces the external noise, making it comfortable for all-day wear. With an acoustic design and hi-fi stereo sound, these Bluetooth earphones provide a clean, high-frequency response and distortion-free bass for a loud and clear audio experience. It also features a chipset which allows the headphones to transfer lossless audio quality for a powerful sound. Petron Bass Buds True Wireless Stereo Earbuds are truly universal and can easily connect with any Bluetooth-enabled multimedia devices. It comes with a Bluetooth range of 10 meters. The earbuds come with a multifunction button to easily manage your music and calls. This true wireless earbuds is available in black color. Inside the box, you will find Petron Bass Buds True Wireless Earbuds, charging case, micro USB cable and manual. This product comes with standard brand warranty. You can also pay online using your debit or credit card, net banking or other methods. For further information on the product, warranty, payment and delivery options and other offers, visit the product detail page.
Hey guys, welcome to Digit. Today we have with us the Petron Bass Buds True Wireless Stereo Earphones. So now let's open the package and see what we have in here. So there we go, we have opened the package. First of all, you have a little rating card kind of thing, and it says be loud, be proud. That's the hashtag. And here you have a tiny little instruction manual which lets you know how to connect these earphones and gives you a bunch of other information and specifications as well. We're going to set this aside too. Now let's see what we have inside the box. So right away you can see that we have the charging case right here, and we have the earphones as well, which we're going to extract right now. We'll set these aside momentarily and come back to them later. Let's see what else we have in here. So in this little pouch here we have the charging cable, which is a micro USB charging cable. It's a small rubber micro USB charging cable, so it can be used to charge the case with. And you also have a few extra silicone tips so that you can get the fit you really need to make these earphones sound good and also for it to be more comfortable. So here you have the small tips and you also have the large ones, and we are guessing the earphones themselves come fitted with the mediums. So now let's set this aside too and look at the earphones themselves. So as you can see, when we pulled it apart, the silicone tip did pop up. So we're going to put that back in. And yes, so first let's look at the charging case. As you can see, it is a white charging case, a glossy white charging case, while the back finish here is a matte white finish. You can see it's actually a pretty light case. It barely weighs anything at all, and it is made predominantly out of plastic. Here you can see you have the Petron logo as well as 4 LED indicators which tells you how much charge your charging case currently has. We're going to pop the charging case open, and you see that you have little cavities here to fit your earphones as well as the magnetic tips to attach your earphones with, and there's a right and left indicator as well as a tiny little button in here. So now let's put these earphones into the charging case and see how they fit. So this one is the right one, so it goes here, and this is the left, so it goes here. And you can see they fit pretty snugly. The magnet is sufficiently strong, it's not coming out even when we do that. And yes, that's how they fit. Right now the box, the charging case seems to have no charge, so it's not lighting up, but when this is charged it will actually light up and let you know how much charge is left. And we're guessing the LEDs on the earphones themselves will also light up. So that's about it for the Petron BassBuds True Wireless Stereo Earphones. This was the unboxing. Thank you so much for watching this video, guys.
Petron BassBuds. First time connection. If you're connecting for the first time, take both the earbuds out of the charging case, wait for the right earbud to pair with the left earbud. Now once you see the blinking LED light, you're ready to pair. To turn off the earbuds, you can do it manually by pressing and holding the multifunctional button on both the earbuds for 5 seconds, or directly place the earbuds in the charging case. Petron BassBuds also support auto pairing. After connecting them for the first time, now whenever you take the earbuds out of the charging case, they will auto pair with the last pair device. The earbuds can be used in both mono and in dual earbuds mode. And for mono mode, you just have to take out only the one earbud from the charging case. Now you can take calls with only one earbud as well as listen to music. Voice Assistant support. You can call Google Assistant or Siri by pressing and holding the multifunctional button for 2 seconds on either of the earbud. Call controls. To answer an incoming call, just press the multifunctional button once on any of the earbud. To disconnect an active call, again just press the multifunctional button once on any of the earbud. If you want to reject an incoming call, then double press the multifunctional button on either of the earbud. Music controls. To play and pause track, press the multifunctional button once on any of the earbud. If you want to skip to the next song, then double press the multifunctional button on any of the earbud. To go back to the previous soundtrack or repeat the current track, then triple press the multifunctional button on any of the earbud. Charging the case. To charge the case, plug one end of the micro USB charging cable in the case and connect the other end to a computer or a wall adapter. To know the remaining battery in the charging case, press the round button on the top and you will see the LED lights. One LED light means 25%, two LED light means 50%, and when you see all the 4 LED lights, that means you have 100% battery in the charging case. Troubleshooting scenarios. One earbud is not working. If one of the earbud is not working, then place both the earbuds in the charging case, take out both the earbuds together, then wait until left and right earbud connects to each other. After a successful match, only one earbud will flash the blue and the red LED light. Now turn on the Bluetooth of your device and search for Petron BassBuds and click to connect. Earbuds not connecting. If you're not able to connect to the earbuds, then restart both the earbuds manually, restart your phone, and after that, search for Petron BassBuds in the available Bluetooth device list menu. Earbuds disconnecting during call. If you're facing disconnection of the earbuds during an active call, then check the battery percentage. Usually your phone shows you the available battery in your Bluetooth device list menu, or simply restart your earbuds manually and pair them with your phone again.